Дядя Мирослав.
Ёбаю. Готов! Армата!
Two streets in western Kozinka, in Belgorod Oblast, are under Russian opposition control for 1 week now, and the Putin regime is still unable to regain the tiny area. Instead, the Russian Air Force is bombing Russian territory into rubble, hoping for a miracle. On March 19th, a number of Russian media reported that the Russian trawler Captain Lobanov sank in the Baltic Sea, preliminarily due to an explosion on board. Now information has appeared in the Russian media that the ship was sunk as a result of a Russian Navy missile accidentally hitting the ship. A relative of a crew member of the trawler Captain Lobanov confirmed to Dozhd media that the ship was mistakenly hit by a Navy missile. As a result of a missile hitting the fishing trawler Kapitan Lobanov on March 19th, 3 crew members were killed and 4 more were injured. A relative of one of the crew members told Dozhd media about this. The missile that hit the trawler was fired during a Baltic Fleet exercise, the source said. Before the incident, the trawler's crew members were about to go to bed when a missile fell on the captain's cabin. According to official reports from local authorities, there was a fire on board the trawler, and the cause of the incident is still unknown. In addition, authorities report only 1 death. When the survivors were taken away, everyone knew perfectly well that 3 people had died. And everyone knew perfectly well that a rocket had hit. But they decided to write that there was a fire. I wonder what kind of fire this is, if the captain's cabin is completely gone. It was simply demolished, says Dozhd's media source. The survivors were sent to a hospital in the city of Pionersk. One of the victims is in serious condition. According to the source at the hospital, the victims were interrogated by FSB officers, who asked the crew members not to talk about the incident. Another missile, according to the source, fell into fishing nets near the industrial vessel of the MRTK company, which was located not far from the trawler Captain Lobanov. "I'm going to put on my armor vest. That's enough." Russian servicemen, being under fire, decided to show his half-destroyed positions, and this is what came out of it.
Смотри как. Оттуда сюда. И вон наш дом. Вон еще бабахало. Рядом с нами. Так. А я даже не ушел. Нормально. Скотина. Поближе уже. Скотина, а? Пойду-ка я одену броник. Хватает уже.
Russian air defense on the left bank. Madyar may find him, and an epic video will follow. Ukrainian M777 firing from an underground position.
Привіт нащадкам. Дядя Мирослав.
Ёбаю. Готов! Армата!
Ну, так. Вот так и живем.
In the Avdiivka direction, 2 BMP-3s were destroyed by FPV drone strike unit of the 47th Mechanized Brigade. Nice explosions. Attention, France. Russian propagandist Solovyev throws a tantrum over President Macron's statements. It's curious to watch him spitting venom. Thanks to Mr. Macron's statements, that we couldn't even have imagined hearing not so long ago, a situation of strategic uncertainty was created for Russia. The fact itself of discussing sending troops to Ukraine shows how great a threat Russia is considered to civilized countries at the moment and how important it is to stop Putin and not allow Ukraine's defeat. Judging by the reactions of high-ranking Russian officials and the tantrums of Russian propagandists, we see that Mr. Macron's statements had a great effect and were a surprise to them. The only thing Russia recognizes is power, and these statements were made from a position of a strong leader of a strong democratic country.
Требуйте, чтобы они прекратили огонь во время Олимпийских игр. Они должны это сделать. Так было всегда. Да, мы об этом попросим.
Кого ты попросишь, скотина? Ты, скот, сказал, что собираешься вести свои войска, и это так же очевидно, как то, что ты встанешь в своей тощей вялой задницей со стула, на котором сидел в тот момент, когда тебе задали этот вопрос. Ты, негодяй, сказал, что если русские пойдут в сторону Одессы, то тогда войска. Ты, на Олимпиаду которого не допускают российских спортсменов, смеешь открывать свой грязный лягушачий рот и произносить формулировки, что ты кого ты попросишь? С кем ты говорить будешь, скотина? Кого ты будешь просить? Олимпийцев и паралимпийцев, которых ты не допустил? А ты Израиль не хочешь попросить остановить боевые действия? Нет? Все нормально? А укрнацистов не хочешь попросить не обстреливать, например, из вампиров, кстати, чешских, и из твоих дерьмовых орудий обстреливать Белгород, Донецк? А твои рассуждения, как твои ракеты летят по Крыму, ты кого-то еще просить о чем-то хочешь? Жди, свинья живоподобная, чтобы по Парижу ничего не прилетело.
Правильно ли мы поняли, что вы рассматриваете возможность отправки западных французских войск на Украину? Добрый вечер и добро пожаловать. Вы сидите напротив меня. Вы стоите? Нет. Вы исключаете, что встанете в конце этого интервью? Вы не собираетесь исключать этого. Мы даже уверены, что сделаем это. Вот так.
Поэтому мы, конечно, остановим боевые действия, когда возьмем Париж. И твою лягушачью задницу аккуратненько так на помойку история. Не-не-не, не волнуйся. Это же Владимир Владимирович, он вежливый, добрый. Он никогда такие слова не говорит. А мы, злые журналисты, сторонники секты ядерного Армагеддона, можем себе позволить все, что угодно.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.